We are going to do a walkthrough of a Pistorius EMN 14-inch double miter saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is an ultra clean Pistorius EMN 14. The dual 14-inch blades are belt driven by dual 2 horsepower motors. The infeed and outfeed measure 8 feet. The infeed has an inscribed measuring tape with diagonal hash marks that are very crisp, easy to read, and show minimal wear. The infeed also has a power lock pneumatic stop.